So, right. So maybe nobody recognises this, and that's fine, of course. This is my software running now. As you can see, it's running quite fast. It's rendering probably okay. I mean, I'll tell you what. let's put a top on it. Usually it's about 5%. Oh, there you go. So that's actually running at sort of 23%. Okay, it's using 23% of the CPU. CPU itself is, can I do it this way? Yes, I can. Yeah, it's using one CPU core. There you go. And the rest are all idle. So this has 4 cores. Only one of them is used by the rendering application. Okay, which is running currently on CPU 3 by the looks. Yeah, I do. Here you go. Look at that. Yeah. There you go. See? Now it's showing. So it's using a quarter of one CPU. So that's a 16th, right? And it's rendering fine. Now that's rendering full screen each time. You can't tell this because it's obviously rendering the same thing. The one thing that doesn't appear to work at the moment, I don't think, is the touch, because it's got a crosshair, but the crosshair isn't moving around when I touch it. And I know this is the debug version because it's got the colouring and the line bars around everything, and the screen geometry and all that sort of thing. This is not the right geometry for this screen. This is done for a HD 1080p, which would then render everything nice and clean, and it's for that other monitor that I showed down there. So this is the wrong monitor, and touchscreen I need to fix. Yeah. So the other thing I've got working, of course, is that I've reprinted this case. You see, and as you can see, it fits it fine. There's a little bit of flex in the top, yeah. So, but it doesn't come down too far, and it's possible it's flexing because it's not, it needs something on the side, but it's definitely holding it. I think you might be able to. Let me put the light on, and then you can see. Okay, oops, it's a bit close. So you can see it's obviously within the bounds, and if I press it down, you can see. There you go. So that's holding the screen fine. It's going in about halfway into that channel, and obviously it's right down the bottom there. So that's okay. What I need to do now, and I can get this from like Thingiverse or something, I can get a Pi 4 box, and then I can superimpose the design into this, then it'll have a Pi 4 box in it, which is good. So at the moment I've made it a lot thinner, and it's actually sandwiching it in. It's fallen down, and it's not on the sticky pads, but it's sandwiched in tight enough now so that it's not flailing around. Yeah, so what I'll probably do, I mean, I could even just simply put something there just to hold it in place. Like I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. But the point is it's actually rendering my OpenGL application, which is the thing I wanted. I just need to fix the touchscreen part, and then I can obviously deal with the geometry. And and then I can start building again. I had a bit of a problem because it didn't seem to be opening it properly. But I think part of the reason why it wasn't opening it properly is because the X server basically grabbed and it wouldn't let it go until and so I had to reboot it, and yeah, long story. Anyway, and this is not the Ubuntu one that I installed, because that one for some reason didn't load the right drivers, or it just didn't work. But this one's working, so now I can get on with the development of the application, which is good.